Hi guys, what's up? It's Jordan, back again. I didn't really want to start this video outside because it's literally minus 22 degrees today in Toronto, but I kind of forgot to start it before I left my house, so we're starting it now while I'm freezing cold outside. But today's video is going to be a transformation video. I've been seeing these all over YouTube, so I was like, you know what? I have a funny weekend planned for a transformation that like wasn't intentional for this video, but then I kind of realized, I was like, oh my god, wait, this can totally be a transformation video, so you know what? We're doing it. Joining the bandwagon. I don't know if I said that right. Anyways, so right now I'm off to get my hair done because my roots are super grown out and my hair's just kind of gotten really brassy because my purple shampoo like isn't the best. It works sometimes, but like others it doesn't. So it's in need of another bleaching and toning. And then tomorrow, God, I'm going to get my nails done because they're about 3 weeks grown out, which is super, super bad. Ooh, the bus. The bus. Okay. Almost done. Oh. Okay, so I just got home from the hair salon and this is my hair after it got done. So we lightened it a lot up here and did like lots of highlights and baby lights like up in the roots, and then we toned it so it's a little bit, it's not really showing up, but like it's kind of like silvery beige, I don't really know. It's really ashy, it's really nice. I absolutely love it. It looks so good. And yeah, that's all. Okay, like sorry I'm pulling an Emma Chamberlain. I'm editing this while I have this face mask on right now that you're gonna see later. But I just want to say sorry, these next like 3 clips are like not the right way. My phone decided to not work and I couldn't figure out how to flip them, and yeah, so sorry. Oh god, this is awful lighting, but nails did, oh god, he made them so good. Yes.
We need to follow in our footsteps.
Okay, so I just got home from the nail salon. I showed like a really gross, like really bad lighting clip of them before, but now that I'm in good lighting, look at them. Oh my god, they look so good. I'm so happy I got them done. I just got like a nice nude. I got the color Put It in Neutral from OPI. It's the one that like Desi Perkins always gets, and like I saw it and I was like, Desi girl, I'm gonna test it out, and Desi doesn't lie. Okay, so now it's time for the next steps of this nice little transformation from mess to hot mess, LMAO. I'm gonna do a face mask because we have a nice little friend here that I need to get rid of. So we're gonna do a face mask and then back in my bathroom. But first step is to put the hair up. I know I like just got it done, but it's fine. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm so happy to be blonde like all the way up again. because before, like, my blonde started, like, back here. Okay, let's make this look cute at least. Wow. Okay. So I'm gonna use the Mask of Magna Minty from Lush. This one is weird. It's like a different texture than I remember from when I had it last. Okay, cover up the fucking pimple. Ew. I hate getting pimples. I mean, like, who doesn't? But like, oh my god. Okay, so the mask is on. I'm gonna let it sit and probably go drink some tea because I'm sick as fuck. And then I'll catch you when I wash it off. Okay, so the mask is off. My face is cleansed. Now we're going to moisturize. And just rub this in a little, just so it's spread out. Always moisturize your eyelids. I learned that the hard way. Okay, and then as like one of the last parts of the transformation, we're gonna take a jade facial roller and roll out our face to help make things work in there, whatever this thing does. You know what this does. I'm just gonna take it, run it all along my face, down the neck too. Never forget about your neck. Okay, and just because of that mask and cleansing my face and moisturizing and all of that, my blackheads are basically non-existent. This little guy will be gone by tomorrow, guaranteed. And my hair, no longer grown out, is fresh. My nails are now fresh, no longer grown out. So guys, we're looking like a little bit less of a mess. So I think that's gonna be it for this transformation video. I went from a hair grown out, nails grown out mess to a put together, done up girl. Yeah, if you want to see more transformation videos, let me know. I can definitely do them. This was super fun. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe down below, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.